Just a quick one. This isn't a financial advice.
Hello guys, welcome to this video, and this video is going to be quick and snappy. This is already playing out as I speak. Yesterday I made it clear that when this candlestick, these two red candlestick takes out this previous green, there's definitely going to be a continuation to the downside, and even if it closes around here, it's going to continue. I know that before I finish making this video, this market may have actually gone way lower than expected, but the key here is this box is a consolidation box. So for the fact that we are consolidating here, this was the point where it consolidated before we made this very big move. We should expect some sort of move breakout to this point, and this is the most critical support area that the market should hold. Reason being that this is where the whole move started. Yeah, we might actually trickle down into this box possibly, but if that happens, this is going to be some basement before they move to the upside, and if it fails, that's going to rally down. But this video is just to give us a heads up that this box is still critical for us to pay attention to what is happening. If you pull out the 50 moving average, you will see it clearly that this opportunity is cooking. Here we are still holding on the 50, but we actually need to break below the 50 for the whole trade setup to make even more sense. But on the smaller time frame though, this is already a trade setup. On the 4-hour time frame, I already jumped into this trade, taking a short, as soon as this close, and this is potentially where we need to set our stop loss, something like this. Why? Because we are already below the 50 moving average. So this zone is going to enter will be more like some ranging market here before we go down below, possibly, okay, if that happens. And yes guys, you can actually trade this setup on Mexi platform. Take advantage of the bonus. So for those who want to take advantage of this trade setup, you can actually do so on MEX with a very good bonus. Right now, MEX is offering an exclusive bonus for my viewers. Just scan the QR code on the screen, sign up and claim your reward instantly. You'll also find the link right below this video. Click it and take action. Spots are limited, so make sure you don't miss out. Alright, now let's jump back to the charts. Moving on, if you look at this trade, you see that this is where we got support, right? And this is where the market is ranging. If this supports, the market takes out the support here, we're going to get really fast, move really fast to the downside. So this is already a good trade setup opportunity, and on the 2-hour time frame, it's still very clear and glaring that this setup is a very good one. So it's already playing out, guys. By the way, I jumped into this trade from this very candlestick. This red take out the screen. I broke down this strategy. It's very, very effective. And I just want to give us one little tip on how to trade strategies like this. So a green candlestick, a red candlestick, a red candlestick, and a green candlestick. I made a full video on this, so please, if you are watching this video, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, subscribe, like, comment, check my other videos where I broke down this particular strategy. So for the fact that we're already in a downtrend, silver red coming here, and then I saw this very green. This green had a very small body compared to the other reds, right? Now it didn't take out the 50%, the 80%, or 100% of this very red candlestick. It didn't engulf it, and now I got another engulfing red candlestick. So I jumped into this trade, set my stop loss above the previous swing high. Anywhere around here to here is fine. Now when you take this trade, this is how you trade it, because it's not just about jumping into the trade, it is how you execute the trade. So what we do here is when you jump into this trade, you quickly start trailing when we get a breakout. So if the market move pretty fast to this point, you need to protect. You move your stop from this point to this point or around this zone. So let's say the market move to around this price axis where we had this support, sort of support zone. So when you get to this point, you need to move your stop from where it's placed down close to it, not on it, but something above it. So you have to allow it to breathe. So if the trend continues going down, you could gradually move it downward. Before you know, you see that the market continues going down continuously, then you're on track and this will be your final take profit. Yes, there's possibility for the market to actually go into this zone, but I think this is where the market is most likely going to react. So all of this is based on my own assumption. So I believe this is how the market will play out. Let's see how it works and I'll update us subsequently in our next video. So thank you very much for watching. Like I said, this is a very quick snappy video, straight to the point, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.